Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll study the integral below to determine if it converges or diverges. Because that integral has an infinity in one of its born, I have no choice but to study if the limit of 3 divided by x plus 5 and x plus 2 dx and between 1, and I will put a instead infinity, but I will say a goes to infinity. If that limit goes to a specific number, that means it converges. Otherwise, it will diverge. So let's study the limit of this, but before doing that, I can realize that the integral that I have, I can decompose it, do the decomposition by partial fraction. So if I take 3 divided by x plus 5, x plus 2, I can say it's equal a divided by x plus 5 plus b divided by x plus 2. For those who does not understand how I came to that formula, well, I have a lot of video explaining the decomposition of by partial fraction, and my channel, I think you know it, it's Vic the Math Tutor, one word. It is Vic the Math Tutor. So it is attached. There is no space between Vic or the math or the tutor. Vic the Math Tutor, and you will find a lot of video explaining how we do decomposition into partial fraction. So let's do a common denominator on the right hand side, which become x plus 5 times x plus 2, and here a x plus 2 plus b x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 5 times x plus 2. Because I have the same denominator on the left and right hand side of the equality, I can get rid of the denominator, and I would have 3 equal, and let's elaborate, a times x plus 2 plus b times x plus 5. So it becomes ax plus 2a plus bx plus 5b. And now let's factor out x between a and b. So I would have 3 is equal a plus b times x plus 2a plus 5b. Okay, a plus b has a coefficient of x, and I don't have anything with a coefficient of x on the left hand side. So that means my a plus b is equal to 0, which means that a equal to minus b. And 3 does not have any coefficient, like it's a constant, and 2a plus b that don't have any coefficient, they are constant. So I can conclude that 3 is equal to a plus 5b. But I know that a equal minus b, so let's replace a by its value, minus 2b, because I replace a by minus b, plus 5b. So minus 2b plus 5b, it's 3b. So 3 is equal to 3b. That means I divide here by 3, divide here by 3. My b is equal to 1. If my b is equal to 1, so my a is equal to minus 1, because a is equal minus b. So now that integral, I can write it as limit when a goes to infinity between 1 and a, instead of a x plus 5 plus b x plus 2, let's start with b. It's 1 divided by x plus 2 dx plus limit when a goes to infinity between 1 and a, and because it's minus 1, so I will put minus here instead of plus, because a is equal to minus 1. So instead of putting minus 1 here, I'm gonna put 1, and I'll put the minus outside. 1 divided by x plus 5, I guess, yeah, x plus 5 dx. 1 times dx is dx. So let's work the first one. If I take u equal x plus 2 and du equal to dx, let's do it. Let u equal x plus 2, so my du is equal dx. So my integral become limit when a goes to infinity between 1 and, let's see now, I will put the equivalent of a later, 1 of u, and when a goes actually keep it, I'm not gonna put the born now, because like a is not a number, I cannot calculate it. I can put b or whatever, but du, so this is equal, actually take out the limit too, like that. Let's keep it like this. This is equal ln of u. So but I know that u equal x plus 2, so it become ln of x plus 2, and now I can put back between 1 and a, and here the limit when a equal to infinity, goes to infinity. And same thing, the second one become minus ln of x plus 5 between 1 and a. And let's take out this, and let's put parentheses here. Okay? And here it's absolute value. But I know if I have ln of something minus ln of something, it become limit when a goes to infinity of ln x plus 2 or a plus 2, anyway, divided by x plus 5, and all that between 1 and a. This is a here, yeah? So now I have to replace it is equal limit when a goes to infinity ln of a plus 2 divided by, actually divided is too long, divided by a plus 5 minus ln of 3 divided by 4. Sorry, it's 3 divided by 6, which is 1/2. Let's put 1/2. Because like if I replace a by 1 here, it becomes 6, and if I replace a by 1 here, it becomes 3. Here, when a goes to infinity, it becomes ln of infinity divided by infinity. It is infinity divided by infinity minus 1/2. It ln the 1/2. It does not matter because it is infinity. So what I have to do now, I have to do the hospital rule, because it is infinity divided by infinity. I have to do the hospital rule, and then the hospital rule, I have to do the derivative of the numerator divided by the derivative of the denominator. So if I do derivative of a plus 2, derivative of a is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0, so it become ln of 1 divided by 1, which is equal ln of 1, which is equal to 0. But I still have this here, which was a constant. I have to add it. So the limit when a goes to infinity, it become 0 plus, minus ln of 1 divided by 2, which is equal 0 minus ln of 1 minus ln of 2, because ln 1 divided by 2, I can write it like this. It become, actually here I don't have to put the limit. This, it's not necessary. It becomes 0. ln of 1 is 0, minus times minus is plus, ln of 2, and we know that it goes to ln of 2, which is equal ln of 2, and ln of 2, if you do it on your calculator, it's almost equal 0.69. So because I have a limit here, I can say that this integral converges to 0.69. So the integral of 3 divided by x plus 5 x plus 2 dx between 1 and infinity converge to 0.69. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it.